Welcome to Canvas Assignments and Assessments. In this portion, we will be discussing new quizzes. New Quizzes is a new assessment engine built to meet the assessment needs in your classroom today and in the future. Leveraging modern technologies, New Quizzes features include a series of feature enhancements and new item types, and bring workflow improvements to what is commonly encountered in classic quizzes. You have more question types, more data to interpret and improve your pedagogy, and you can tie a new quiz to a specific course outcome. It is important to note that CLT does recommend migrating any classic quizzes to a new quiz type. To migrate a classic quiz to a new quiz, navigate to the Quizzes Index page. You will know the difference between a new quiz and a classic quiz by the rocket ship icon. Classic quizzes have an empty or outlined rocket ship, whereas new quizzes have a filled-in rocket ship. Once you're in the Quizzes Index page, find the quiz you want to migrate from a classic quiz to a new quiz. From there, select the Options kebab on the right, the 3 vertical dots, and from the Options menu, select Migrate. You will see a nice swirling circle as the quiz migrates and creates a new quiz version of the classic quiz you initially selected. For more information on building new quizzes, check out the CLT workshop on new quizzes in Canvas. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.